Heartland Counseling Services in South Sioux City was recently one of just 7 agencies in the state of Nebraska chosen to become a certified community behavioral health clinic. That means the center can be a one-stop shop location for all behavioral health needs for individuals, and that includes mental health and substance abuse services.
That's right. And actually, one component of this means Heartland Counseling can now build a new Crisis Stabilization Unit to help people experiencing a mental health crisis. Tonight, we take a look at the plans. It's tonight's Healthbeat 4.
24 beds, 12 rooms, 2 people to a room.
A detailed floor plan maps out each space.
There's going to be a large community space. Of course, here's our nurses station. We're going to have a therapist on staff there full time.
Colored squares will transition into the new 12,000 square foot building. This is a rendering of what the building will look like. Heartland Counseling Services Executive Director Jennifer Jackson says the organization was just awarded the funds to make this rendering a reality.
$4.5 million from the state of Nebraska opioid settlement funds to build our new building, which will be right next door to our existing building, and it's going to be a crisis stabilization unit and a detox center.
This is a voluntary service, meaning patients have to want to come.
They'll stay with us 1 to 3, maybe 5, a little bit longer days. And the idea is that they will come there until they get into treatment for substance abuse services for long term. Or if somebody's just feeling hopeless and they don't meet the criteria for hospitalization, this is a step down from hospitalization.
First and foremost, it's a safe environment for them.
Certified Community Behavioral Health Clinic Project Director Jessica Barnes says the patients will be connected to mental health therapists.
They are going to be able to see a med provider as well for medication management. And then there's going to be that case management piece, the peer support piece. There'll be groups during the day, and then they're going to, again, a big part of it is going to be connecting them to where they go next.
To continue their new path of living through long-term treatment.
It's going to be for anybody in the area, regardless of where they live. I know that we'll be able to be successful, and it's really going to help the whole tri-state area.
The city of South Sioux City donated funding for the land where the building will take shape. Money has also been donated and raised in conjunction with the funding given from the state of Nebraska, making the total price tag more than $5 million.